Hey Vlad, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for taking my call this morning. This is that custom video that I was telling you about, and we're just going to go over a few tips that you can apply today so that you can have a stronger online presence and get more of those organic leads. So here we are on your website, and you have a Google My Business website. Um, let's see. You do have some nice pictures. Okay. Looks like you do some good work here. But I'm not seeing any real content. So your Google site is helping in your Google Maps to be in the top 3, but it's actually not helping you in your organics. And that is because we don't have any content going on here. So to rank a website, content is key. And so you need a homepage that has a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words or more, depending on how many words your competitors have. And they need to be focused on your buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords people are actively searching when they're looking for your services. And that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And then you need to have a separate page for every specific service that you have, as well as a separate page for every service area that you service. If you're only servicing Buda, then that's fine. But if you're serving Austin and the surrounding area, any service area that has any relevant keywords with volume should have their own page. That way Google is able to index each of your pages and get you in front of those customers. Google has robots called crawlers that go out and they index every single one of your pages, looking at the content and keywords so that they can rank you for those keywords and get you in front of your customers. Here is one of your top competitors, Tropic Island Pools. They have a nice looking website, and yes, they're also a custom builder, so they have additional services that your website doesn't offer, but they're still your top competitor. Um, and as you can see, they have more content. Yeah, a little bit of content here and there, but not nearly enough content. So content wise, these guys should actually be fairly easy to beat. Um, you just need to have more content on your website than they do. And you need to go after those buyer intent keywords. They also have different pages for each of their services. So you'll need to do the same thing with your services and make sure that you're going after those buyer intent keywords and that you have more content than your competitors. This is a program we use called Aris. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. You have a 92 out of 100, which is extremely high, but that's only because you're using a Google site. So it's kind of like a false number. Um, you need to have backlinks and referring domains. And you need to have more backlinks than your top competitors, and not all backlinks are created equal. So you need to have the relevant high authority backlinks, and you need more of those than your competition. Because you don't have any content, you don't have any keywords that's being indexed, so Google cannot organically put you in front of any of your customers. So it's going to be really important to work on that content strategy so that Google can start putting you in front of your customers. When we look at your competitor, they have a domain rating of a 17, and that is because of their backlinks and referring domains. The fact that they only have a 17 and they have this many backlinks says that not all these backlinks are good backlinks. So you need to beat the quality of the backlinks and the amount. So you'll have to work on that. And because they have a lot more pages and more content, they're being indexed for over 3,000 keywords, and they're seeing over 1,200 people to their site. So this just goes to show you the type of volume that you're missing out on, and that's going straight to your competition. Now, what a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant the website is that links to you, the more juice, the more power that Google's going to give you. It's more authority. And the backlinks are closely tied to your keywords. So it's really important you're getting backlinks and using those keywords so that Google can rank you for those. And the last thing I want to talk to you about real quick is the Google Maps or Google My Business. And as you can see, you are in the top 3, which is where you want to be. It is a highly competitive area, and that's because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go any further. So it's a very important that you are here, and it's going to be important to go and optimize this page with pictures and content. And the biggest factor in maintaining the top 3 is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And so you need to have a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and service areas. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you'd like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.